Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and on this video is celebration of the holidays. It's almost Christmas and I am wearing my celebration shirt, and we are celebrating the holidays with amazing desserts and food. So let's get started. On this video I want to make an amazing rice pudding. I love rice pudding for Christmas. My mom used to make that for Christmas for dessert all the time, like literally every year. Like, it was just the dessert. And candied yams, but candied yams are going to be in another video, so stay tuned for that one if you like candy yams. Well, anyways, let's get started. This recipe is super easy. You're only going to need a few ingredients, and there are a few ingredients that you can avoid if you do not use them, like the condensed condensed milk. It is saturated, it's high in fat and saturated fat, so like if you don't want to use it, it's fine, but I'm going to use it this time. So let's get started real quick. The first thing that I want to do is get the rice cooking. Look at this little kitty. Hi. This is Precious. She's a cute little kitty. Little Precious, say hi. She's a sweet little heart. She's a cute little baby. And then Dinah's somewhere around there. We got another cat. Here she is. Dinah, say hi. She's a pretty cat. Cute girls. Two pretty cats. If you hear like little bells, that's them, but we're gonna ignore that, okay? We've got 1 cup of sushi rice. I'm using short grain rice. You can use any type of rice you want. I just like short grain rice. It's really good mouthfeel. So I'm gonna use short grain rice, and then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. And this rice is rinsed. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So I like to cook my rice with some water first before I add any milk. So I'm going to cook my rice just a little bit before I add the milk. So I'm going to add a cinnamon stick. Alright, so I'm going to allow my rice to come to a boil. And then I'm going to turn it down. And I'm going to completely cook this rice before I add any non-dairy milk and the condensed milk. So I'm just going to allow that to boil, and then I'll come back with the next step. So once the rice is completely cooked, you're going to add the whole condensed can, that's sweetened condensed coconut milk, and then you're also going to add a cup of soy milk. And you're going to cook this down till it gets really creamy, and it's going to be delicious. Then you can eat this hot, or you can serve this cold. I preferred it cold. It tasted so amazing. And I also added a cup of golden raisins as well. And our amazing arroz con leche rice pudding is ready. Super delicious. I love it. Mexican style. It's so delicious. Just to finish it up, we'll add the raisins. And stir and enjoy. This is one of my favorite desserts of all time. I love it. It's so delicious and creamy and yummy, and I love that it's vegan. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.